Every rider knows that a motorcycle is more than just a way to get around. With the right gear, it becomes safer and a whole lot smarter. Stick around until the end because some of the most impressive gadgets are still waiting to be revealed. Now, let's kick things off. Number 15. Carabc BMW Smart Display. Instead of relying on a basic dashboard, riders get a bright, high-resolution display that integrates seamlessly with their smartphone. Navigation, music controls, incoming calls, and real-time riding information are all available in one convenient location. The display remains easy to read even under direct sunlight and is built with weather-resistant materials for reliable performance in changing conditions. Number 14. Motorcycle Saddlebags. Packing for a road trip is much easier when you have dedicated storage that doesn't get in the way of your ride. Constructed from rugged waterproof material, the bags shield your gear from rain, dust, and flying road debris throughout the journey. Their dual-sided design distributes weight evenly to help maintain stability, while adjustable mounting straps provide a secure fit on a wide range of motorcycles. Number 13. Dirt Handlebar Kit. Long hours on rough trails can quickly become exhausting when your handlebars transfer every vibration straight to your hands. This dirt handlebar kit can improve comfort and control for off-road riders who demand more from their bikes. Built from reinforced aluminum, the handlebar is paired with a high-density foam pad that helps absorb impacts and reduce vibration. Number 12. Racing Chain Adjuster. Keeping your motorcycle's chain properly tensioned is one of the simplest ways to improve performance, but it's also one of the easiest things to get wrong. A loose chain can create unwanted noise and uneven power delivery, while an overly tight chain can increase wear on the drivetrain. This chain adjuster makes precise adjustments fast and hassle-free. Crafted from high-grade aluminum, it's lightweight and built to withstand. Clear measurement markings help you make accurate adjustments, even in low-light conditions. Number 11. Atlas Throttle Cruise Control. Holding the throttle open for hours on long highway rides can leave your wrist tired and uncomfortable. It offers a simple solution by allowing you to maintain a steady throttle position without constantly gripping the handlebar. Constructed from durable, lightweight polymer, it installs in seconds without requiring special tools or permanent modifications. The secure locking mechanism helps reduce hand fatigue while still allowing quick manual override whenever needed. Number 10. Stand Helmet Storage Rack. After every ride, your helmet deserves a proper place instead of being left on a seat, shelf, or garage floor. Made from sturdy metal with a wall-mounted design, it easily supports helmets, jackets, gloves, and other riding essentials without taking up valuable floor space. Its open structure encourages airflow, allowing moisture to escape and reducing unwanted odors after long rides in hot or rainy conditions. Number 9. Oxin Heated Grip Covers. Cold weather can make riding uncomfortable and even reduce your ability to control the motorcycle safely. They are designed to keep your hands warm without replacing your existing grips. These insulated covers slip directly over the handlebars and connect to your motorcycle's electrical system to provide consistent, reliable heat. Number 8. Yohulio Disc Brake Lock. Motorcycle theft is a concern for riders everywhere, especially when parking in public places. It provides an extra layer of security by preventing the wheel from rotating and discouraging theft attempts. Built from hardened steel, the lock is compact, durable, and easy to carry under your seat or in a backpack. Its integrated motion-sensitive alarm emits a loud warning whenever someone tampers with the motorcycle, drawing immediate attention. The weather-resistant construction ensures dependable performance in rain, heat, or cold, making it suitable for year-round use. Number 7. Chain Cleaning Brush. A dirty motorcycle chain not only looks bad but can also reduce performance and increase wear over time. This brush makes regular maintenance much quicker and easier. Its unique three-sided bristle design surrounds the chain, cleaning multiple surfaces at once while removing grease, dirt, and stubborn grime. Strong nylon bristles are tough enough for deep cleaning without damaging the chain, and the durable handle provides a comfortable grip during use. Regular chain maintenance helps improve power delivery, extends drivetrain life, and reduces costly repairs. Number 6. Bay-Off Wheel Cleaning Stand. Cleaning motorcycle wheels thoroughly can be frustrating because the tires don't rotate freely while the bike is resting on the ground. The Bay-Off Wheel Cleaning Stand solves this problem by lifting the wheel slightly, allowing it to spin smoothly during washing, polishing, or detailing. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the stand offers excellent stability and supports the motorcycle securely throughout the cleaning process. It makes reaching every section of the wheel much easier, reducing both effort and cleaning time. Ideal for home garages and motorcycle enthusiasts who enjoy keeping their bikes spotless, this practical accessory delivers professional quality cleaning results. Number 5. Kaedear Motorcycle Maintenance Stand. Routine maintenance becomes much easier when your motorcycle is supported on a stable platform instead of balancing on its side stand. Its heavy-duty steel frame is designed to handle the weight of most motorcycles without flexing, while the non-slip feet keep everything firmly in place on garage floors. The adjustable design accommodates different bikes, and when the job is done, the stand folds away neatly for storage. Number 4. ILM Modular Bluetooth Helmet. Stopping to answer calls or check directions can interrupt your ride and create unnecessary distractions. This Bluetooth helmet brings those features directly into your helmet, allowing you to stay connected while keeping both hands on the handlebars. Its integrated Bluetooth system supports phone calls, GPS voice guidance, and music playback through built-in speakers that deliver clear audio even at highway speeds. The flip up front lets you switch from a full-face helmet to an open-face configuration whenever needed, adding extra versatility for different riding conditions. Combined with an aerodynamic shell that helps reduce wind noise and a long-lasting rechargeable battery, this helmet blends everyday practicality with dependable rider protection. Number 3. Foldable Gel Seat Cushion. Hours on the road can turn an enjoyable ride into an uncomfortable one, especially if your motorcycle seat offers very little support. A foldable gel seat cushion adds an extra layer of comfort by distributing pressure more evenly across the seat. The high-density gel core absorbs vibrations from uneven roads, while the breathable outer fabric helps reduce heat buildup during warm weather. Instead of constantly shifting your position to stay comfortable, you can enjoy a more relaxed ride with less strain on your hips and lower back. It fits a wide variety of motorcycles, folds easily when not in use, and is a practical upgrade for commuters, weekend riders, and anyone planning longer road trips. Number 2. Rhinowalk Motorcycle Tail Bag. Every rider eventually reaches the point where pockets simply aren't enough. Its waterproof, abrasion-resistant construction helps protect your belongings from rain, dust, and everyday wear, making it suitable for both city rides and extended tours. Inside, multiple compartments keep tools, clothing, electronics, and other essentials neatly organized instead of piling everything together. Adjustable mounting straps secure the bag firmly to most passenger seats or luggage racks, while reflective accents improve visibility after dark. If you regularly travel with extra equipment, this tail bag offers a dependable storage solution that stays secure mile after mile. Number 1. Gearhead Chain Cleaning Kit. A smooth running chain doesn't happen by accident. Dust, old lubricant, and road grime gradually build up, increasing friction and putting extra stress on your drivetrain. Inside the kit are dedicated cleaning brushes, precision applicators, and detailing tools designed to reach every link with ease. The comfortable grips make each tool easy to control, even in tight spaces around the sprockets. Regular cleaning not only helps extend chain life but also improves power delivery and keeps your motorcycle running more efficiently. If this video helped you discover something new for your motorcycle, make sure to leave a like. Subscribe for more gear reviews, riding accessories, and Amazon finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next ride.